Welcome guys, today we have 2016 Honda Civic. You can pull up back seats from here and nice little trunk. I think we also have a emergency release from inside. Backup camera. This car doesn't have license plate yet because it was recently purchased by my brother. It has, I think, 15, 16 wheels. Yeah, I think it's basic trim wheels. That goes with Honda Civic. Let's try to get inside. Back door mainly made with the hard plastic. That is looks pretty nice. Have a hook for costume. Another hook here. Okay, back there. Just the plastic there. The seats are pretty soft, pretty comfy. And two cup holders there. The headrest, I think it cannot be adjusted, but it's just like a regular size. And that's about it for the back. I see like the zip lines. I wonder if you can unzip your seat cover or something like that. Here we can storage some bottle or other stuff. Like with my height, almost 2 meters, and still comfy. I would say that the seat position it's pretty low. Like the car itself, it's like more sporty oriented. So yeah. Let's go to the front. Here we have the button to open the trunk. Here we have manual seat adjustment for driver. Two-liter 4-cylinder engine. This one doesn't have turbo, so it's good for the reliability. Let me know in the comments, guys, because I think this Honda Civic also have 1.5 liter turbo engine, but I don't know if it's reliable or not. So if you have any information, you can let me know. And yeah, it's pretty heavy. Oh. I just noticed this one is not well clipped. So I'll maybe check on that later. There's a clip to store some documents. Yeah. For the seat, I lower it back to the max, and I would say you feel that you sit really low, like in a sport car. The nice touch material here, like it's almost hard plastic, but I love the stitches here. It looks more premium. I would say the interior here, I really love it. Let's check there. That's pretty cool. You can slide your cup holders and adjust them wherever you like, and we also have a USB here to charge the phone, and the big compartment if you have a big bottle. You can store it there. Brake hold, electric parking brake, heated seats, and even the armrest there, I think it's, yeah, you can adjust it. Okay, let's start the engine. This car has only 100,000 kilometers. The odometer, it's all digital screen, but it looks really nice. And for the steering wheel, you can adjust it in 3 positions. Small button for the brightness. Also for the center console, you have a little storage compartment there, and you also have like a second floor of compartment that is more hidden. Have eco mode. Rear view camera. I think we can have different angles. As we are on the eco mode, the gas pedal is not very responsive. Like I need to push it deeper to accelerate, but the brake pedal is very responsive, so you can feel such a difference between gas and pedal brake. But soon we will go on normal mode and let's see how it drives. As for the feeling, the car feels really solid, like you feel like you drive a new car. Steering is nice and responsive. So we'll switch off the eco mode. Now we have a little bit more response from the pedal gas. Feels like a small sports car. It's nice to drive. Yeah, the brakes are very responsive. Like I push just a little bit and it brakes really well. Let's try the S mode. I don't know if S means for sport mode, but let's see. I would say it's probably the sport mode because the car keeps high RPMs, but I'll go back to normal mode. I also noticed if you drive like economically, you will have a green light on the top, and it depends if you drive faster or if you push more the pedal brake, it will become white like this. So the car, it motivates you to drive economically. children. It kinda feels like you drive a BMW, but it's sure that BMW is another class car and it's more premium built, but it kinda has the same feeling of driving. It feels like a car that is funny to drive. Personally, I think for the last models of Honda Civics, this one is one of my favorites. Like 2006 Honda Civic was really good too. 2016, one of my favorites, and the new one, like the last model 2024, I do like it too, but I think personally this one looks just a bit better. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Let's do a last overview. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have a chance to drive this car, or if you are the owner of this Honda Civic. What do you think? But personally, I really like that. It's a nice car to drive.